What's up, guys? It's Wilso here, and today, I reached 5 subscribers, so guess what? The 5 subscriber, play button has come. If I can ever get it open. My hands are too small. I'm a tiny little turd. Open. Open. And by the way, this is homemade. I'm gonna probably have to sue myself because it won't open. Yeah, it's an Xbox box, but it won't come open. There we go. Okay. Do-do-do-do. Okay. So I've got the note, and then the actual play button itself. Congratulations. No, congrats on surpassing 5 subscribers, Wilson. And also, the name change is probably going to be a thing. Well, never mind. Not whatever. I haven't put the M right there yet because, you know, as you guys know, I'm changing my name, my whatever you call it, YouTube name soon. Kind of tired right now, so I'm talking weird. But anyways, yeah. So this is it. It's a whole lot smaller than the 5 or 30 subscriber one. As you can see, quickly move over here. Okay, so as you can see, right here, compared to this, it's way smaller. I think I'm going to put it, like, right back here. If I can get it to stand up. Okay, there we go. So it's standing up right there. That should look pretty cool. So anyways, yeah. Second play button. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.